Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be getting car insurance on my Lotus. So if you wanted to see how much I paid car insurance for this car, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get this video started. Alright everybody, so the time has finally come for me to get insurance on this Lotus and start driving it. It's been sitting for quite some time in the garage collecting dust. It is extremely hot outside today, so we're going to be going inside and we'll be getting insurance on this Lotus. It is a 05 model, guys. I did paint it myself, that's why it kind of looks the way it does. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna get insurance on this little car. Alright everybody, now we're back inside the office where it's super cool, and now we're going to get insurance on the Lotus. First off, guys, we're not going to be calling the insurance company. We're not going to be spending hours on the phone trying to get this quote, or we're not going to be spending hours online looking for different companies, seeing where we can get the best price. None of that crap. We're simply going to go to one of the best insurance companies in America, and we're going to get a policy. Alright, and that insurance company, guys, is no other than Root. Yeah, you guessed it. So I'm already a member of Root. I have their insurance on my other cars, which they give me awesome prices on. So I'll be simply adding this Lotus to my Root insurance policy, and then we're going to see how much we have to pay for that Lotus. So I'll probably open up a screen recording right here, or depending on the quality, I might just cover my whole entire video with the screen recording of the app and getting the quote on the Lotus. So guys, before we get to the insurance and the actual price that we're going to be paying, make sure to drop a comment below letting me know how much you think I'll be paying for insurance on this Lotus. Also guys, if you want me to make more car videos like the Lotus and other cars, drop it in the comment box below and I'll be glad to do it. Also, if you want to sign up for Root and get real good car insurance for some of the best prices out there, the link will be in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Alright guys, now we're inside of the Root insurance app. I'll probably blur out my policy number because that's probably not a good idea showing it to everybody. As you can see, I do have car insurance with Root, and it's valid till February 28th of next year, of 2020. So personally guys, I buy 6-month policies simply because it ends up being way cheaper than paying every single month, and you do not have to worry about payments every single month. You just pay every 6 months and you get it out the way. You don't have to think about it anymore or none of that stuff, which makes it a lot more easier, a lot more stress-free, which I absolutely like. I do not want to be thinking about, oh, I have to pay insurance this month or next month. It's just a hassle, too much work. You want to make your life as simple as possible. If they offered a 1-year, 2-year payment plan, that's what I would do. I would just pay for an entire year or entire 2 years and get it out the way. So guys, you already know that I have a policy. Now we're going to add the Lotus to this policy. The way we're going to do this, guys, it is very simple. We're just going to add another car to the policy. Right now I do have a 2015 Chevy Cruze on this policy, but now we're simply going to add the Lotus, and then in a couple of months when this Cruze is sold, we're going to remove it and we're going to add another car to this policy. So right now we're going to press add vehicle. So now we're going to add the Lotus. So simply you just click on add new vehicle, and then you enter the VIN number of the car. And I got the VIN number right here, and I'm going to enter it, and then we're going to see how fast we are able to get a quote from the Root insurance company, guys. Also, we're going to see how much money it is going to cost us to insure the Lotus. Now I have entered in the VIN, and now we're going to simply press next. But before we do, guys, make sure to drop a comment below and let me know how much you think I'll be paying for insurance on the Lotus. Guys, the Lotus is a 2005 model, Lotus Elise. It does have a lot of mileage, 50,000 miles. So I'm not sure how much insurance is going to be on it, but we're going to find out right now. We're going to press next. Does this vehicle have an anti? Yes, of course. Press continue, and now we're waiting. Hold tight, we're crunching the numbers. Better crunch it good, Root Car Insurance. I need that good price. I need that good coverage. Guys, if you want to check out Root, I'll have the link in the description box below. This way you can save some money on car insurance. This is one of the fastest growing insurance companies in America. They offer some excellent coverage, excellent prices, and the whole experience is absolutely awesome. You can get a quote on your computer, or you can simply click the link in the description box below, get a quote online, download the app, whichever way it's easier for you, and save some money on your car insurance. Alright, now right here, we're just going to have a ton of options to choose from. Vehicle includes collision, of course, deductible, comprehensive deductible, liability, all that property damage, personal injury. You can change this however you see fit, guys. So, simply going to press continue. Guys, in this video, all I'm doing is showing you how easy it is to get coverage with the Root Insurance Company. Alright guys, now we have gotten our quote, and it says your rate is changing. Of course, we expect it to change. We expect the price to go up. Alright guys, now my new premium for 6 months is $864 for 2 vehicles. This is including the 2015 Chevy Cruze and the Lotus. So I'll be paying an extra $291 every 6 months to have insurance on the Lotus, which is absolutely amazing. So guys, now I'm going to simply divide that by 6 to see how much monthly we're paying for the Lotus to be insured. And guess what that number is, guys? Guess how much we're going to be paying for insurance on the Lotus? $48, which is absolutely awesome, guys. This is why I like the Root Car Insurance Company. For an awesome car like that, I'm only paying $48 a month to have it insured, which is absolutely amazing. It is awesome, guys. Like $48 a month to insure a Lotus, it just makes owning that car way more affordable. Plus, it's good on gas. $48 a month to have it insured, which is amazing and fun to drive. Guys, the $48 a month, I can get that even lower. Both of the cars right now are insured with full coverage, so I'll be pretty much changing the coverage on the Cruze to liability insurance, because there's no point in having full coverage if the car is going to sit in my parking lot before it gets sold. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to select the Chevy Cruze to be liability coverage, which is pretty much the state minimum. You're still allowed to drive the car on the street. If you get pulled over, you just show them the insurance. You still get coverage, but it's not as good as full coverage on your vehicle. So we're going to make the Cruze liability coverage. I'm not going to pay extra when the car is just going to be sitting in the garage waiting to be sold. So we're going to make that liability, and then of course on the Lotus we're going to get full coverage. So in case anything happens, we'll be absolutely covered. And then we will not have any worries about that at all. So we're going to continue, and now we're going to recalculate the quote. And we're going to see how much money it'll be right now. Oh baby. Oh baby. Now for 2 cars, it's $686 every 6 months, which is absolutely amazing. That means the Lotus has full coverage and the Chevy Cruze has liability. So for 6 months, I'll be paying $686 for 2 cars. And now let's do the math again. We're going to break this down again, because that is an extra $135 on our policy to insure the Lotus. So $135.40 divided by 6 months, because we pay every 6 months. That's why we have to pay $135 now to be covered for the next 6 months. But if we break it down for every month, it will be $22.56. Yeah, you got it right. $22.56 to insure the Lotus for 6 months. Full coverage, guys. Let me know of another company that can beat this price and give me the exact same coverage, guys. It is impossible. The Root Car Insurance Company is one of the best out there. This is why I love this company. This is why I keep making videos about Root Car Insurance. It is simply one of the best insurance companies that give the best prices, the best coverage. I absolutely love this insurance company, guys. And if you want to save some money on car insurance, the link will be in the description box below so you can check it out, save some money, get a quote. It takes literally 2 minutes to get a quote with the Root Car Insurance Company, guys. I don't know what you're waiting for. If you want to save some money, the link will be in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Alright guys, now we're going to get this policy. We're going to make the payment of $135 and we're going to be insured for the next 6 months. And we're going to go register the car and hopefully enjoy it this summer while it's still here. And then we're probably going to make a ton more videos about the car, about Root Car Insurance. Guys, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment box below. I'll be glad to answer. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.